Hello friends, welcome back. In our last class we have discussed about callback function. So in this class we have some more function. We will discuss about that. So we will have some more function. Just remove this, and the title is you can say Append, put a comma, Prepend, P-E-N-D, again comma, after, again comma, and the last one, before function. Append, prepend, after, you can use and before function. So this is the title, and you need to just remove all this from script tag. From body tag we have just a button, and instead of this image you are going to use a div start, div close. I'm just writing here JQuery, only JQuery, and you need to just come inside CSS, or you can just directly call div. You can create a class or ID here also, class and ID you can create here, but we are not going to create, we are going to call div directly. Div, open curly braces, and the width of this div should be something like 800 pixel, and the height should be something like 300 pixel. The background color orange, text color green, font size 22 pixel, and text align, you can say center. Now save this, go to run menu, launch in Chrome to see the result, and this is a button, and this is the box. Inside this box we have written JQuery. So now we are going to use these functions like append, prepend, after, and before. So just come here inside the script tag, insert a $sign and round bracket, dot, another round bracket, semicolon. Just make the copy of this, Control C, and inside this with single quotation you are just going to select a class and the class name dot PUTT1, and we are just putting this on click, CLICK. So function and round bracket, curly braces. Inside this we need to paste this, and here we are going to select the div inside the single quotation, div, and here we are going to use the first one, append, APPEND, append. So inside the single quotation you need to write, for example, hello dears, just this much, Control S, and you need to just come here, or just before you can see the result, refresh, click this, you can see each time you are clicking it is just adding or duplicating the words. You can see the result is here. So I'm just writing here inside the comment, append will add words after, append will add words, you can say, but after the available words. So append will add words, but not this, but after the available words. So you can see here inside this you have JQuery in the first. After that you can just refresh, you have JQuery. Each time you are clicking you are going to add a words after the JQuery words. So when you are using append, it will add words after the available words. So the opposite of that, you can use prepend. Save from here, come here and refresh. So you can see the result. It will add words before the available words. So you can see before the available words. So you can just make this duplicate, not after, before. Prepend will add words but before the available words. So you can see this the result, this the available words, and it will add words here before that. So you can see. And after that we have two more function, like after and before. If you are just going to use here after, Control S, after, not after, Control S, and come here. You can refresh and click. You can see after, it means after the element. Each time you are clicking, it will add words after these elements, outside of this element, but after. You can see, and this is the result. After, it means after the element. Before, it means before the element. Control S and refresh. So this you are going to adding words before these elements that we have here inside the web page. So we have four functions here: append, prepend. They are just working inside the element, before this text, before the available text, after the available text. So we have two more functions. This is called before and function. So it will work outside of this element. It will add words just before this element and after these elements. So you can just see here, if you just make this duplicate, Control D, you can say after will add words after the element, after the element, after the, not the elements. So duplicate this time before will add words but before the elements. So it's very easy. You can understand. I hope this is clear for you. You need to just watch the video for better understanding, and to watch again and again and do a lot of practice. If you are doing a lot of practice, you will remember all the codes, so it will make everything easy for yourself. So we'll come back in next class. We'll discuss about JQuery, more features. So till next class, have a nice time and see you.